It's a battle zone.
But I found this last time, if it comes all the way down to the bottom of the range and touches a major level, that's when you really get a bigger move, or more often a bigger move tends to seem to happen when it goes all the way from the top of the range all the way down to the bottom of the range when it's been in a range for a long time.
Yeah.
And then it comes down there, it must just pick up a bunch of buyers and then it takes off.
Yeah.
Because it's got to go down just a bit lower to pick up a shitload of buyers.
Yeah.
I'm still
Travelers.
looking out for those 96s.
Mhm.
And see if we can get it all the way down there. I think that might be the target, but we'll see.
That's why the breakouts at the top of the range suck, because you go to take the breakout and it just goes to the bottom of the range and then it takes off. And you
Yeah.
get stopped out in the process.
Yeah. In a range, you should always buy low and sell high. Never
Yeah.
buy high and sell low.
Yeah.
I know, isn't it just such common sense? But it's hard to get people to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Duh.
It's funny, but yeah, it's for some reason tends like people know, but they just for the life of them can't stop doing it.
Well, that's what we bank on though, because the market moves with emotion. We
Oh
want
yeah.
so that's our emotion in check, while the other ones lose their money or battle it out.
Yeah. Like, I honestly don't mind taking money
Yeah.
from stupid decisions. I don't mind, but hey, everybody has,
Wow, that's hard.
it is hard, but that's the truth. Like the majority of these people, if they continue to do this stuff, then it's basically handing over the money.
Yeah, it's kind of sad though.
Yeah. I mean, I think you said the same thing, you just said it with nicer words.
Well, what'd I say?
They're basically taking the money from people who keep doing the same mistakes over and over again.
Say that. Said that.
Yeah. Yeah. See, because if you know you shouldn't be buying the tops and selling the bottoms and you keep doing it and doing it and doing it, that's the majority of people in this market.
Yeah.
They're either trying to take a trade that's already gone without them and trying to just jump in on board, or they're looking at areas where they're, trying to get into a trade knowing they probably shouldn't be in there and end up putting themselves in. The people who know exactly what they should be doing, especially the professional traders, the one trading bigger money,
Right.
it's like you're basically handing them the money.
Yeah. Well,
There we go.
that's why we play this game, right?
Yep. Finally got it to move down. 96.50. Let me just unlock this for a second. Take it off here.
Put on water.
That's one of my favorite quotes, sir.
What?
Perfect. Okay, I'm
Scored.
done with that trade.
What's a quote? What's your favorite quote?
The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, but expecting different results. Albert Einstein.
Yeah. So true.
That's why I think it's vital that's, in trading, you only apply yourself to one strategy.
Yeah.
Because the majority of the time you might feel like you have to wait it out, but if you can just wait it out till the market gets to an area and apply yourself at something you understand, majority of your trades are going to be winning trades.
Yep.
What it is.
Exactly.